Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast card video. And in today's video we will be checking out the Mitsubishi Lancer GSR Evolution 3, now in yellow. Sorry, not now in yellow, I mean we've previously seen it in black, so basically now it's turned into a yellow version. But it's not the same as the previous two Tarmac Cards and Tarmac Works Evos that we've done previously. This was back in Hong Kong Toy Car Saloon back then when I reviewed it, and this was the GSR Evolution, basically just the regular one, Evo 1. The next one would be the GSR Evolution 2 that I've reviewed quite recently in red, and now we have our GSR Evolution 3 that just arrived, and basically I'm reviewing it right now so that you guys can see it. Tarmac Works, there's our car, Mitsubishi Lancer GSR Evolution 3. So it comes with one pack which includes two cards, Tarmac Cards. Then you have this sort of like a rough sort of, I don't know what to say, this type of background. I'm not entirely sure, I'm clueless, but I think it's like paint splatter here and there, but it's fully colored in like yellow tint or something like that. I don't know how to describe it. This still very cool. You have the back side of the car, Global 64, and also Scale Model 164. The bottom half is in white. So Tarmac Cards, collectible cards, comes with two cards per pack. Yeah, hunt down the non-serialized silver and also the Mitsubishi 3 Diamond Parallel, and chase the very rare exclusive Evolution Parallel, which is serialized 1 of 199. Yeah, there are the cards, the front view and also the back view, just like how we've reviewed this previously. On the top we have Tarmac Works, the T logo, and same goes for the bottom. Whereas the back, Tarmac for good, small size, big heart, Mitsubishi licensed product, and over here it also says Mitsubishi Lancer GSR Evo 3 in yellow, made in China. There are your socials. So I guess without further ado, let's open this up and see what type of card did we get, and also what type of card did we get. So I have not opened the card, so yeah, will be quite a surprise for me, as I don't know what card I will be getting. So it's going to open. Hold on. There you go. Okay, so this to there. Here we have the GSR Evo 3 now. We've seen the red one, we've seen the silver one. That was Evo 1 and 2. Now we have Evo 3 with us right now, which is colored in yellow. Very nice. First time in yellow, I think, the Evos, made by Tarmac. I'm not sure. I think it is. That's so cool. Really like that. And of course we have our pack of Tarmac Cards that we have right here, that yes, Tarmac Card fans will really do like. Tarmac Cards, collectible trading cards, Mitsubishi Lancer GSR Evolution 3, blah blah blah, 2 cards per pack. Moving towards the back of the pack, the back of the pack. TarmacCards.com, Tarmac Cards Instagram, and that's it. So let me just describe it to you. Hold on, let me bring up the information here. So like I said early on, there are 2 cards per pack as per usual. For these type of packs, they come in 2 cards per pack. And yes, for card number 1, it would be the front view of the car. There are 3 versions. One's the base card, then it would be the silver parallel, and lastly would be the Evolution 3 parallel, which is nice. And then card number 2, we have the back view of the car, which has the base card and also a diamond parallel. It's also limited, So I guess without further ado, with the description given, let's see what type of parallel do we get this time. Hopefully we have some luck on our side and get an exclusive card with our cards. So let's see. Oh, why is it upside down? Okay, that's odd. Okay, I didn't get a single parallel. Again, it struck, and we didn't get a single parallel this time either. So the same thing happened with the silver one, which was the Evo 1, and we didn't get a parallel. Evo 2, we didn't get a parallel, and this time it's Evo 3 and we didn't get a parallel. Wow, that is just crazy. So here we have the GSR Evolution 3, which basically we have two cards, the front view and also the rear view of the car. So let's just do a brief description on the front of the car. Here we have Lancer GSR Evolution 3. There we have the car right there on the front, Mitsubishi right there, with some red and gray stripes and quite a lovely background right there. I'm not sure if that's in Japan or something. Over on the back side of the card, you can see Lancer GSR Evolution 3. Then there is some information that you can pause to read, talking about Evo 1 and 2 back in the past, and now about Evo 3. Then our engine type, basically specifications, 2-liter L4 turbocharged engine, and then the important stuff, all-wheel drive, 5-speed manual, and also 1,250 kilos, and yeah, 2+3 capacity. Mitsubishi motors, Tarmac Cards, photo by Tarmac Cards, and designed in Hong Kong. That is our first card right there. Base card, not a parallel or anything, and it ended up being upside down. Interesting. Next one would be the back side of the car. Pretty much the same thing, everything else. And moving towards the back, some more different information right here on the top. And then yeah, pretty much the same, nothing much has changed. You can pause to read. Oh yeah, it did say something right here. Notably, it became a standout in the street racing genre, featured in renowned racing comic, anime, and movie series Initial D. Yeah, I do remember now. This car is also known in Initial D, as well as Jackie Chan's film Thunderbolt, which is cool. That is some information that yeah, many people would have known if they've watched the movies, of course. Initial D was one of the famous ones, and then we have Jackie Chan's film, also known as Thunderbolt. So this Evo 3 has been quite notably a famous car back in the past, and yeah, I believe many people would recognize this car from these movies as well, especially Initial D, I think. So here we have the GSR Evolution 3, colored in this bright yellow right here. Love to see it, sort of like a lemon yellow sort of color, which I like. And yeah, let's put it on our turntable and let's see the details that we have to talk about. So it comes in this sort of like lemon yellow, which I like, with white set of rims, white 5 spokes, which are nice. Now I have reviewed the red one much recently, and yeah, I did talk about the red one. Seemingly this pretty much looks almost the same as the red one, just that there are a few minor details that are different towards the red one. Notably, the rims are the same, of course. These do come in white rims as well. Not sure if the silver one, no, they are different. So the set of rims, oops, on the red one would be different. So yeah, nice details on this car as well. You do have, of course, a Japanese license plate, which is a nice looking detail. Nice headlights and rear lights, nice rear spoiler as well for this one. Very, very nice. Love the details. It's pretty clean, I would say, as well. So yeah, let's take a look at our car in detail now. So here we have the Mitsubishi Lancer GSR Evolution 3, now in yellow. So yeah, let's start. We have yellow, we have white, yellow body, but white set of rims right here, 5 spokes, and with the outer barrel being in white as well. The rims, yeah, they look pretty great, I would say. Quite suitable for this car as well. Rubber tires here on this one as well. We have the gas cap right here. We have 2 doors on each side. Obviously, this is a 4-door, which is nice. You do have the door handles, which are not colored. Does say Evolution 3 right there at the bottom of the rear door, basically, which is nice. Over on this side, you do have, of course, the side mirror, which is plastic. Yeah, plastic side mirrors. And then moving on to the front, you do have the lens transparent headlights right here, which are nice. Which there are some orange and also a clear version, which the orange basically indicates the side blinker, which is nice on the car. Very nice. You have the front grille, which has the Mitsubishi logo right there, an opening for the front grille as well, and also some intakes on the side, and of course the nice looking front bumper right here, which is gorgeous. Some hood scoops right here on the hood, of course, which are nice. Some intakes, and then moving towards the windshield, regular windshield, blacked out interior, blacked out bucket seats. Sorry, not bucket seats, but regular blacked out seats. And of course, you do have right-hand drive since this is a Japanese JDM model. The roof is colored in yellow as well. Over on this side now, pretty much the same thing. Nothing much has changed. And moving towards the back on the car, obviously you can see that there are 3 supports, which are for the spoiler right here, 1 in the middle, 2 on the side. And yeah, I believe this is metal, by the way, I think, or is it plastic? I'm not sure. I think it's plastic. You do have red colored rear lights, which are nice. Japanese license plate, which says 3003. Is that indicating a date or some sort? 30th March? I'm not sure. No, why would it say 30.03? Interesting. Or is it some kind of date? I'm not sure. You have the side exhaust tips, which are colored in matte silver. And then you have this rear spoiler, rear bumper, which is quite big. Of course, moving towards the bottom of the base right here, metal, matte black base. Tarmac Works, Mitsubishi Lancer GSR Evolution 3. Tarmac Works and made in China. Now I would say this car is pretty much I would say similar to the red one, but then of course people can recognize some minor details between the red and also the yellow that we've done a review previously. The red one would be the Evolution 2 that I've done a review, and that one had some minor differences between the silver and the red one from the past. Based on the front bumper and also rear bumper, but I would say the side looks a bit much the same. The side pretty much looks the same. The front of the car on the GSR Evolution 3 has been a bit more aggressive, I would say. Quite notably a bit aggressive compared to the red one. The red one looked a bit nicer, I would say. Compared to this one, it's a bit more aggressive and a bit more like rally-esque sort of Evo, I would say. But overall, all three are still pretty magnificent, no matter which evolution you're talking about. GSR Evo 1, 2, 3, they're still pretty much great looking models. And while I'm talking about 1, 2, and 3, if you want to watch the first one, you can go check it out at my Tarmac Works website. Tarmac Works playlist. The second one is also available at the Tarmac Works playlist as well, and Tarmac Cards playlist if you want to watch it. The third one, obviously you're watching it right now. I'd say pretty much a great set of cards and also car as well. But yeah, sadly I didn't get a single like serialized or at least a silver parallel on this one. A bit of a shame, but still pretty nice. I would say a pretty nice batch of cars and also cards. Overall, I really do like it. If you want to go watch the silver and red one, you can go check it out. It's on my channel. But yeah, once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.